Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Zara application not working. So let's just get straight into the video. If your Zara application is not responding or not working, you can simply go ahead and force close it just like that and then restart the application. If that also doesn't work, simply try clearing cache and data on Android and iPhone both. In order to do that, simply head into your App Store. So head into your app store, click on your profile icon, click on personalized recommendations, and then click on clear app usage data and click on that. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, try to check your internet connection, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on, or turn airplane mode on or off to refresh your connection. And if none of those work, then the final thing you can do is simply uninstalling and installing the Zara application again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.